Greetings, my name is Thomas Fraser, and I'm your local campus lead for Map the System this year. Welcome to this workshop on Research Design Essentials. In this workshop, I'll be covering the following items. First, I'll begin by outlining a general design roadmap, highlighting some of the essential steps in the research design process. Second, this will be followed by some general research tips from the Map the System student guide. Third, I'll then outline some key ethical considerations while designing and conducting research. Fourth, I'll then consider some general interview tips, once again from the Map the System student guide. And finally, I'll provide a brief overview of everything covered throughout the presentation.